Okay, we'll now do question 7. You're given that the curve y equals to fx is such that f prime x is 2e to the power of x plus e to the power of negative 2x. So the first question asks you to explain why the curve has no stationary points. So what's the concept here? For you to have no stationary points, it means that your f prime x cannot be 0, right? Because stationary points means your first derivative f prime x is equals to 0. So how do we explain that? Okay, since we are given f prime x to be 2 e to the power of x plus e to the power of negative 2x, we just have to show that this cannot be equals to 0, right? And we all know that e to the power of x and e to the power of negative 2x are positive for all real values of x. This is the defined. Exponential functions are defined in such a way. So therefore, f prime x given by 2e to the power of x plus e to the power of negative 2x must be greater than 0, right? For all real values of x. Therefore, fx has no stationary points. Okay, so that's the 2 marks. Okay, part 2. Given that the curve passes through the point 0, 2, find an expression for fx. Right, so you know that when you take fx and you differentiate it, you will get f prime x. And here, if we were to integrate this, we will get back our fx function. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to take the integral of 2ex plus e to the power of negative 2x. Okay, and when we integrate when we integrate this term, we can integrate them separately as individual terms. Then taking out the constant and then integrating e to the power of x is just e to the power of x, because when you differentiate e to the power of x, you get back the same thing. So when you integrate, you get back the same thing. Okay, and then for e to the power of negative 2x, okay, when you integrate this, you will get negative half e to the power of negative 2x, and then you add the constant. Okay, so why is this the case? If you refer to the formula above, it is this formula. Okay. Alright, then from here, we just have to simplify this a little bit. 2e to the power of 2x plus c. Right. Okay, but we're not done because we have to find the c. So what are we given? We're given that the curve passes through the point 0, 2. So that means given that f0 is equals to 2. Okay, when we sub in x to be 0, okay, we're gonna get e to the power of 0 is 1, so this will be 2 minus half, which means that c is half. Okay, so that gives us our answer. Therefore, fx is given by 2e to the power of x minus 1 over 2e to the power of 2x plus